Yo. Oh my god. It's a little smoky in the kitchen because as I was taking out the chorizo, some of the grease splattered to the bottom of the stove. So if you're wondering what the atmospheric smoke is, that's what it is. I don't have a fog machine or anything to add cinematic effect to this. But it's adding effect. But as you can see, our chorizo is very crispy. Our squash is cooked inside out. It doesn't always have to get brown on the outside. You can always just check with a fork to see if it's fork tender. That's good. That works. So there, wait, forget me. Stop. There's not a fire in the kitchen. But our smoke detectors work. It detected the chorizo grease and it's telling us to eat. I think fire is slang for that's on fire. Oh my God, that's so good.